Hi, I'm David, I'm the owner of Enduristan, and today I would like to show you the new Cyclone, our waterproof high-end duffel bag. This is one of these pieces of equipment which works in many different ways, and once you got used to it, you don't really want to travel without it anymore. Now, Cyclone comes in two different sizes. Here on the table we got the 55-litre version, while on the tail of the GS we got the Cyclone 35. Cyclone is made from our new advanced 3-layer fabric, which is fully waterproof, PVC-free and the most abrasion-resistant fabric you find on motorcycle luggage. Cyclone can be used on its own as a quick and flexible solution for shorter trips, or to greatly expand the volume of your saddlebags like the Hailstorm, the Blizzard 2 or the Monsoon Evo 2 panniers. It has a flat bottom which makes it easy to load and makes sure it sits firmly on the rear luggage rack of your bike. One of the key features of Cyclone is the Enduristan Standard Interface, which you can use to attach sidekick bags or bottle holsters. Cyclone 55 comes with a 3x4 interface on the flap, while Cyclone 35 comes with a 2x4 on the flap, and on the rear both have a 1x2 interface for smaller attachments. The Enduristan Standard Interface is patented. We use it on many of our products. I won't go into detail too much because there is a special video where we show you all the possibility the Enduristan Standard Interface offers. Cyclone comes with a flap which serves as a quick stash for loose items. Under the flap there is a waterproof pouch with a window, so you see what's in there for little things you want to have quick access to. And two drawstrings which helps you to secure loose items, for example, like your rain gear. Now let's have a look how the Cyclone is mounted on the bike. Thanks to dedicated pass-through slots, the ROKstraps run under the flap. That means that the bag is mounted securely, but you can still lift the flap to quickly stash things. Now let's open the Cyclone and look inside. There's an integrated organizer with a zippered pocket and 3 mesh pockets. On the top there is an additional mesh pocket, and on the other side there is a removable laundry bag which is held in place using Velcro, so it doesn't move around when you remove the rest of your content. The Cyclone comes with a 4-point duffel harness which lets you turn it into a backpack within seconds. That's great if you want to go on a short hike, for shopping or for easily carrying your duffel in your hotel room or tent. The Cyclone is ready for pretty much any adventure you throw at it, on the bike and off the bike. If you have any questions or need advice to choose your setup, talk to us or your local Enduristan partner. Thanks for watching and keep the rubber side down.